welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I am not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So today we are going to add new blockchain or new network on our Metamask wallet. That's name is Fuse Chain. So in this video I'm giving complete information, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So first of all, we going to open CoinMarketCap and we will check the rank of Fuse network. And this time Bitcoin price almost $40,000 and still 3 days moving on this price. So we are going to directly check in search bar and right here Fuse network. You can see here they is shown here, and this time almost 23,000 added in watch list, and this token is developed on Ethereum, but we are going to add this network in our Metamask wallet. And if you can see here, if you need to trade this token, Gate.io, Uniswap, MEXC, Pancake Swap, and if you go to the check on price graph, so you can see here I have click on all, so then shown the price when this token launch almost 8 cent, and all time low almost 5 cent, and all time high is almost $2, near to $2. And if you need to check the official website of this token, you can see here fuse.io. Now the official website is going to open. Infrastructure for open source money, launch community centric payment system, and tokens economy on a Ethereum compatible blockchain. So as you can see here, the total wallets, transactions, and community, and view status, plug and play, a no code platform for the communities, and open source mobile alternative to the legacy banking, and built of scalable and decentralized. And you can see here the wallet interface of this token or this blockchain, and you can also use this blockchain at your laptop, and you can also use the wallet at your mobile. You can see here, and also you can see here the ecosystem. The big name is available here, Chainlink, and have many big name is available ecosystem of this network or token. So we are going to add this token. So first of all, we open the Metamask wallet, and then we will enter our password here. I've entered my password here, and by default you can see here select is Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. Yes, going to expand view. If you add any network in your Metamask wallet, so you just simple go to the network area. You can see here we have already add multiples network on our Metamask wallet. So we are going to add new network, so just simple click on add network, and after that we need to put here the network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer. So all information in my notepad file I'm going to open. So you can see here Fuse mainnet. First of all, network name and paste here. Second, new RPC URL. So new RPC URL is available here also. So I'm going to paste here. The chain ID is 122. The currency symbol, this is the currency symbol, and block explorer is shown here. This is the block explorer. Just simple copy and paste here. So I have successfully add network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. So going to click on save button. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully add new blockchain over Metamask wallet. Their name is Fuse Mainnet, and you can easily use this blockchain, and you can also save the token of Fuse. You can see here this time price is 35 cents, and if you need to save for long term, so you can add this blockchain first of all at your Metamask. After that you can use this wallet, but before going to use this wallet you must click on this wallet and click on assets option, and this is your wallet address. If you are going to deposit on this wallet, you must cross check you have select correct network, means Fuse network, and then you will receive money. If you click or select any other network, then you will not receive money in your this wallet. You must find the private key of your this wallet. There is shown the available option export private key. Simple click on it, and before going to show your private key, you must read the warning. Never disclose this key. Anyone with your private key can steal any asset held in your account. If you have any balance on your account, and if you will share your private key to anyone, so it's maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so don't share your private key to anyone. So I'm going to enter my password here, and just simple click on confirm button, because I want to show my private key. This is my private key. I will save this private key after stop this video, because when I need to recover, restore, import my wallet, then this private key will be help for me. And you must save this private key to safe place, and because you need to import your wallet, then that's time this private key will be helpful for you. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add new blockchain in your Metamask wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin. And if you click on all coins, you can see here there's big list available of cryptocurrency wallets I have already reviewed. Just simple visit this website and get the information. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.